Michael wants to use the fairmeeting app in Nextcloud to manage his video conference rooms via the app. To be able to use the app in his own Nextcloud, he must first install it. To do this, he is logged into Nextcloud as an administrator. He clicks the avatar button and then selects the entry Apps. He clicks on Social and Communication and then opens the search, in which he enters the name fairmeeting. The fairmeeting app is then displayed. He clicks the button Download and Enable to install the app. Once the app has been installed, Michael clicks the button Fairmeeting to create his personal conference rooms. By the way, Michael can use the fairmeeting app at faircloud.eu without having to install it first. Here too he clicks the button Fairmeeting. On the page that appears, he thinks of the name of the conference room and enters it in the input field. He clicks on the plus button, then on the play button and finally on Join Meeting. He is now being redirected to fairmeeting.net, where the conference room was created. Michael can now enter the room as usual and hold the conference.